Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to set up wholesale on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. Look at the menu on the left side of your screen and click on Customers. In the drop-down menu, click on Companies, then click the Add Company button. Here, enter the business name. Add the main contact information for your wholesale buyer. Next, scroll down to Locations. This is where you add their shipping address and tax ID. You can also choose their specific payment terms, like Net 30. Once the profile is filled out, click Save. Now, we need to create the wholesale catalog. Look back at the menu on the left side of your screen and click on Markets. Directly underneath the Main Markets menu, click on Catalogs. Click the Create Catalog button. Give your catalog a name. Choose the products you want to include, set your wholesale percentage, discount, or fixed lower prices. To link this catalog to your wholesale buyer, look right under the title field and click Add a Market. Select the specific market or company group for your wholesale customers. Finally, click Save. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to set up wholesale on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.